Are you finally ready to stop running and fight?
Dark power slept so long and now it wakes. It must be freed. Behold!
Talk about whipping.
This must be the final battle. I can feel the dark now ending like crazy.
Chippy, that you? Everything's going nuts out here. I wish you could see this scene.
Listen, I have a favor to ask.
Not a good time, Chippy.
No, listen, when you face off in battle, don't forget you can count on us.
Wait, what?
We'll help you from in here. We'll all work together.
Am I nuts? Did I just hear Mario and Green Stash?
That's right. I'm not alone in here.
What was that?
Yes, Mario and Luigi are in your body too. Mario and Luigi.
Oh, I can barely hear with this wind. Hey, Chippy, come on. Who else is in there?
Never mind. Just remember, we're in this fight too.
Don't forget!
Still here. As the dark power not crushed at Kenny heads. Soon this kingdom will vanish, along with all who dwell within. And you too will sleep eternally in the dark power's embrace.
Great Dark Hurricane! Seriously, perfect backdrop for an awesome final battle. You really sweat the details. Listen up! You're saying this kingdom will vanish? Not today! This kingdom is all mine! So you vanish!